This culture has been started since in India, and this culture has been started in Gurukuls. Uh, the in Gurukul, students used to touch the feet of their gurus, to touch
Okay.
the feet
Yogita,
for.
Yogita
Yes,
to
sir.
Chirag. Another question to Chirag.
Okay. Okay. Hello, Chirag.
Yes, yes, audible.
Yes, audible now. So, uh, I just want to ask you, do you think arguments are important?
Uh, yes, definitely. I think arguments are important because we know many things from argument. We can learn many things from argument. According to me, argument happen. We are adamant about something, but the same time we fail to understand the other side. So when we argue, we learn about what others think. So according to me, arguments are important.
Okay.
Chirag, ask one question to Yogita.
Sorry.
Ask one question to Yogita.
Okay. Yogita, do you think
Yes.
cell phone have any positive impact in our life?
Yes, obviously. Because nowadays, mobile is essential in our life, just like oxygen to a human being. So I would say ki earlier mobile was only used for communication purpose, but nowadays for lots of things are going on, businesses or jobs or education, everything is going on mobile only. Due to this pandemic situation, every corporate offices are doing their businesses or doing their every work on mobile, or uh, there are laptops also, but most of the things are usually done on mobiles. So I'd say ki nowadays, uh, yes, mobile has an impact, good impact on human beings, because they are useful
Chirag,
nowadays.
wait. Okay. Chirag to Sharwari. One question.
Sure.
Mm,
Chirag to
wait,
Sharwari.
sir. Sir, wait. I have to open that list. Or can I ask randomly anything?
Ask. But it should be related to the part one.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Sarvari, my question is that uh, do you feel any positive impact of internet?
Sorry, I'm not
Do you
audible
feel,
to you.
am I audible?
Yes,
Do you feel any positive impact of internet
yes, I
on?
feel positive impact of internet. Nowadays, we youngsters, we modern, in this modern age, internet is very important. As nowadays this pandemic is also going on, so we all are having work from home. So without internet, without any, as we are using gadgets, and gadgets are been used through internet only. So without internet, we can't do any work. Sir,
It's okay. Sharwari, one question from Yogita.
internet connects the country also.
Sharwari, Sharwari, ask one question to Yogita.
Yogita.
Ask one question
Yes.
to you.
Acha, do you think smoking should be banned in people's home?
Yes, definitely. Smoking is, everyone know, and it is already written on the packet of the cigarette, that is, it is injurious to the health. So wherever it is used, in home or in road or in park or everywhere, it is injurious. So I would say yes, it should be banned everywhere, not only at home.
Sharwari to Chirag.
Sorry, sir.
Shira,
Ask
you
one
have to
question.
ask to share. Shira.
Sir, he has been left, I guess.
Okay.
Is not
So I
there.
would like to ask some question to Diana. Diana, it's your first part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Diana, do you work or study?
Sir, I do both. I'm working as well, and currently I'm studying for my IELTS exam.
Okay. So let's talk about reading newspapers. Do you often read newspaper?
Uh, I don't like reading newspapers, but initially, since I have to start my IELTS studies, I've taken up the option to read the newspapers because it enhances my English and vocabulary.
Which kinds of article are you most interested in?
Uh, right now, as you open the newspaper, it is full of COVID news. So I skipped that part, and right now I'm reading the news on Bollywood topics, which is quite entertaining, as well as on every Sunday I receive a small magazine from the newspaper, which is called the Sunday Branch. It has vast vocabulary and it's very good. There are a lot of topics to be reading on that.
Well, have you ever read a newspaper or magazine in a foreign language?
Yes, I personally have read the newspaper when it was delivered at my hotel doorstep in Dubai, but it was partly in Arabic, which I could not read, but the behind pages was definitely in English. So I tried reading that newspaper.
So do you think that reading a newspaper or magazine in a foreign language is a good way to learn the language?
It is somehow a good way to learn a foreign language, but like for example, languages which are in Arabic or in Italian, it's very difficult for us to understand. So that's why we normally prefer English reading newspapers.
Okay, that's the end of the part one for everyone. Okay, let's concentrate and let's go for your session for your reading. Okay, so here I would like to ask you, Yogita, you introduce
Yes, sir.
yourself. No, not Yogita, Dinah. Dinah,
Yes, sir.
introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Diana Narayanan. I am currently working for a metro rail company as an office administrator. I am currently pursuing IELTS General for a PR for Canada, and I have attempted 3 times the test, but I have almost failed every time because I have not got the desired scores. And right now I'm doing my online classes with Arman sir.
Okay,
I love.
Dinah.
Thank you, sir.
Continue, I love.
My
Continue.
my hobbies are listening to music as well as I love cooking food. So I have enhanced the practical skill of cooking. I'm also a chocolatier and a baker by hobby.
Okay, that's all about the Dinah. Dinah has given this examination 3 times, but she is stuck in reading and writing. Otherwise, she's very good in listening and speaking. Speaking, she got 7.5. So it is very nice and respected school. Sarvari, speak about yourself.
Hi, I am Sharvari Patil. Currently, I am doing job in school in primary section. I am from Surat.
Yogita, say something about yourself.
Yes. Okay. I'm a chemical diploma holder, and I have around 11 years of experience in working. Currently, I'm not working anywhere, but I'm preparing for my IELTS so that I can get a good job in Canada. So here I am.
Okay, Chirag, explain.
Yes, sir.
Say something about yourself.
Okay. I am Chirag Patel. I am a mechanical engineer. I am working in a leading pharma company. I am working in Sun Pharma since last 2 years. I am working in maintenance department, and I have more than 5 years experience in industry.
Done? Okay, it was a warm-up session. Everybody has to really enhance your communication skills. because